Well, what's going on, guys? Legendary 216 here, back with another episode of Draw My Thing. This should be episode 4, I think. Yeah, should be 4. We won the
Okay.
last one. Looking for another win. What is this? Ends with P.
Ah,
I
you just beat me.
snatched it. Jhamar plays. Stop. Why? Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lolly, lolly. Okay, well, this should be
Infinite.
easy. I typed that in all caps on accident, too. Zach! Don't be retarded, bud. Yes. Zach, that's really loud. What is that?
What? The TV?
Yeah, that's really loud.
I'm sorry.
Wrecking the vid. Hold on. Actually, I want that. Urine. Yeah, this is urine, bud. Okay.
Is it easy?
Yeah. Maybe not with my drawing, but. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, yeah, someone got it. I'm feeling good about myself now.
What? Would I know it?
Yeah. This is easy, bud.
Is it Minecraft?
No, it's not Minecraft.
Disco.
Look at that.
Panic at the Disco?
Okay, well. Let's just get this Ep.4. What is this? Yellow. Urine. McDonald's. What is this? Yes, I'm clutching it today.
How?
I hack.
Is it easy?
Yeah, yeah, it's really easy.
GLaDOS.
After 3 rounds, bud, I got what, 11 points?
Oh, I thought that was potato. GLaDOS. I was about to say. I was about to say nah. Okay, let's see.
Oh, Jhamar came so close.
Oh.
Hot dog.
Oh.
You always get the long ones. Why? Clutched it. I don't know why. I'm just not getting him wrong today.
A quick Superman. Oh no.
That was actually a really nice drawing.
Mine?
Yeah, I got that once you drew that little like plus thing. Already got. Get rid of the Superman. That's nothing.
No, I need to make a perfect line. Yes. Why do I always go last?
I don't know, cause you suck. Doge, Diamond Doge. I don't know.
No, not the diamond toe.
What is this? What? What is this? What? Hold on. Prim? Everdeen?
Oh.
What is this? Oh, Grim
You gotta
Reaper.
be Robbie to get that one.
No, Billy and Mandy. Okay, I already got a victory pretty much, but we'll keep playing maybe. Yellow.
Dude, I think I might come up with the Vic. I need to get everyone correct, I think.
What is this? How?
I think they're talking.
For sure. All blue. Icy. What? Cream. Ocean. Heck.
He should have drawn like a shark.
Okay.
No, tell me, Nick.
Yes. Nope. I got this. Everyone's guessing this. I got an easy one.
No.
You know, I'm just gonna draw, you know, a little
No,
different.
you need to draw the American flag, you rebel.
I'm not American. That's why.
Are you a Britain? Only coach.
Jhamar, shut your mouth. Eat it. Jhamar guesses it. Well, bud, let's see what this is.
No. No.
Typhoon. Is this an AFK guy? No.
Is he dead?
Cooper? What is this? Hugh?
Houston Rockets?
James Harden? Hurric. Hugh. Head. Hugh. What is that?
Handcuffs. Oh, for the love. What an end of awful. If I nailed it, you would be happy with me.
What is this? What is it? No. Yes!
What I call his stomach is this fine? You good?
Yeah, kind of. That's a decent.
Yeah.
Learn how to spell Charizard for 1. 2. Learn the first evolution. Jhamar
Oh, this
got
is
it.
good for like. I hate drawing in this game. Drawing.
I take the lead, huh? I win.
Take last place.
Dak, you lost to Jhamar.
No, it was
You
tied.
see-
It was tied.
You're behind him, bud.
No.
But anyway, guys, this has been episode 5 of Draw My Thing. You got 2 straight wins, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Mindplex.